All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network get 365% back, 1% every single day. All kinds of different cryptocurrency projects and everything. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Yeah, just a little kind of comparison, do a price prediction, cover both of these coins, and buy coffee, dinner, and clothes with Shiba Inu. What? How is that possible? We're going to dig into how you can buy coffee, clothes, and all kinds of things with Shiba. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, let's see here. We got Dogecoin at number 13, and we have Shiba Inu at number 15. Both the tokens are up over 8%, 8% for Dogecoin, 8% for Shiba in the last 7 days, and they both happen to be 2% up in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin is being traded at around 12 cents, 12.2, and Shiba's got 4 zeros and a 23.45. Let's go ahead and click the Doge. Giving a quick thing, 12 cents, 12.2 cents, up 2.7 cents percent in the last 24 hours. We have a nice little uptick going on in the Dogecoin. So what's going on with the Doge? Dogecoin is one Dogecoin equals one Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by the Shiba Inu worldwide. Get started. We all know we love Dogecoin. It's been around for a while. What is Dogecoin? We're going to go ahead and play this real quick. Now we'll come back to that real quick. All right, so here's over on the Twitter account. And it says, please add Dogecoin to the Twitter tip jar option. It just makes too much sense. The OG tipping cryptocurrency on the internet belongs there. Doge, Twitter, tip jar. Everyone else can sign the petition. And you click right here, 5,000 Sheeb strong and counting. All right, so we're trying to still get the Dogecoin on the tipping. Going back over to CoinMarket. Clicking over here on the Shiba Inu. What's going on with Shiba? Same type of thing. It's up 2% right now. It's got 4 zeros and a 23.45. All right, here we go. Buy coffee, dinner, or clothes with what? Shiba Inu. Here's how it works. You can get coffee, clothes, and dinner with Shiba. Thanks to the meme coin revolution, the crypto market was introduced to a coin like Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, and others. While the prominent coins are expensive to own as a whole, the inexpensive value of the meme coins makes it easier for people to adopt them for payment. As a result, a slew of firms across the globe have been onboarding SHIB for payments. Paybot, a Web3 payment gateway, spruce things up with the community by introducing the altcoin. From fashion to food, Shiba Inu has dipped its toes into every field. Now, Payboat's latest edition would allow the users to experience fashion, food, while electronics under the single system. Shiba lovers would reportedly be able to purchase coffee, dinner, clothes, and electronics through this medium. So holy cow, everybody, Shiba Inu, you can get your coffee, you can get your clothes, you can get your electronics and your dinner. It says right here, the firm took to Twitter to share the news with the community. Look what we have, a Web3 crypto payment gateway where SHIB holders can buy real things. You can buy coffee, you can buy dinner, you can buy clothes, electronics, anything you want to use with our system. I just think it's fantastic right here. It says right here, Paybot, Crypto Payments Gateway, giving you an example for about 8 or 9 seconds how you can buy things with your Shiba Inu. All right, give us your thoughts. You can buy your dinner, you can buy clothes, you can buy all kinds of things with Shiba Inu now. What do you think about this? As more and more people start making payments using the Shiba Inu coin, is this enough to make the price go up even more? I know it's up 8% right now. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Now also, Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, what is your favorite? I mean, they're always so close together on the CoinMarketCap. Now, I remember when Shiba wasn't even in the top 100, and as it kind of moved up, and now they're always right there. All right, while we're here, I just wanted to cover this Apecoin real quick. This is in popularity, just jumped into number 47 on CoinMarketCap. So Shiba Inu's got big things going on. Everybody loves the Dogecoin's got things going on. Take a look at Apecoin. Not going to spend too much time here, just doing a quick shout out to Apecoin. All right, at the Shiba Inu tokens website, a decentralized meme token that evolved into a vibrant ecosystem. Shib, Leash, Bone, Shiba Swap, all kinds of good stuff. So go ahead and check everything out about Shiba Inu on their website. Jumping over to Dogecoin real quick. Want to go ahead and play this real quick for everybody out there about the Dogecoin.
Coin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, and like I always say, I really like the Dogecoin video. It's right on the Dogecoin website right there. All right, so let's do some price predictions real quick here. All right, both of these tokens are up 8%. Dogecoin is traded about 12.2 cents. I'm thinking the coin can go up to about 13 cents. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. And Shiba Inu's got 4 zeros and a 23.45. I think it's going to go to 4 zeros and a 28.45. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But a lot of good things going on with SHIB. You could buy clothes, you could buy dinner, you could buy food, you could buy all kinds of things, electronics. Now it's Shiba Inu and Dogecoin also is super, super big. Let's not forget our little special coin that we're talking about, Apecoin. A lot of big things going on with Apecoin. Put that on your radar. It's already in the top 100 of CoinMarketCap. Can't even believe it. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Click over here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network at 1% back, 365% of your initial investment, 1% a day. All right, everybody, with gas prices being so high and food going so high, people are looking for cryptocurrencies that are going to hit to the moon, looking for projects, all kinds of things. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.